Today is going to be a Genius Group stock update. And Genius Group is the major winner that I picked. I made about 9 grand. And I had another buddy on my team that made 45 grand. And then I know other people got out. Luke, he got out. He made some money in his account. He's a new investor. He came to my channel. I told him about Genius Group. We're going to make a lot of money. He did. Okay? So guys, please join the Patreon. It shouldn't be this hard for me to get people. It really shouldn't. Not after my last call. The next banger, the next 10 bagger, 20 bagger, 30, 40, it's coming, okay? And I did make 40x in some of my options. So, Genius Group stock update. Here we go. Genius Group provides update on outstanding convertible debt. Okay, I knew this PR, this press release was coming weeks ago, okay? It's like, I know what's going to happen before it does. That's because we look into the SEC filings, okay guys and ladies? So, Genius Group, the company, a leading entrepreneur educational group, announces that outstanding balance of $18 million senior secured convertible note signed in August of 2022 with Alto Opportunity Master Fund. Segregated master portfolio has been reduced to a current balance of only $53,000. So I told all the Patreon members about this. Okay, there's going to be way more dilution, and they did this to pay off their debt. So this is one of the reasons that I said the stock was going to be moving. Okay, because they gave shares to the hedge fund, so we knew that the hedge fund was going long. Okay, when you know the hedge fund's going long on something, that's very valuable information. I gave you all this information for just $5 on the Patreon, okay? No one else on any other Patreons is doing stuff like this, giving you stocks that are 100%. You know, people don't know. A lot of people don't have 100% winners. They think, oh, maybe there's a good chance, but I tell you, 100%. You can turn 10,000 into, 40,000, Or if you're just getting going like Luke, you could turn a little bit of money into a lot of money. I don't need to say how much money my Patreon members have, but they're doing quite well from when they started with my channel. So this Genius Group is a leading edtech education group with a mission to strive and disrupt the current education model. Yeah, so Genius Group, I told you I was buying it low, and then it went up to about $2.45. And on my Patreon, I told you guys that Monday would be the first chance to sell. And then I said, if you still want to hold it, then Tuesday, get out. Turns out I was correct, okay? So, and I did get rewarded for that. We had lots of Patreon members join. I still don't have a lot. I do this for a living, guys. So, please like the video, subscribe to this. Genius Group now. Would you want to buy it now? No. I think it's going down to 20 cents. And I think it's going to reverse split because I already told the Patreon members they filed to do a reverse split and they got approved, okay? Like I said, I tell the Patreon members first, and this is very valuable information. So Genius Group right now, the stock is actually up 10.5% today. So it's only it's actually coming way down off the highs. It's already down to $1.16. But it is putting in kind of a good floor here at this level right here, at around $1, $1.05. It's got a nice little floor there. So we're going to see, there's a possibility still of this crazy merger. The market makers might, once they exit all of their shares, maybe they drop the stock down, load up again, then maybe they release news of a merger or something, because I was suspecting that this was going to happen the whole time. There was going to be like a merger with Troika. I don't think that's completely off the table. Most people probably do. But yeah, I'm looking to sell this stock right now. I don't want to buy it right now. I like to buy it at cheaper prices. If you want to enter, you could enter at about, $1.10, and then when it pops, you sell it, and then you could trade it like that. Just trade it. You guys can day trade any stock. The best way, I think, to make money, well, there's so many ways to make money. You can buy stocks, you can buy options, but what I really think is the best way to go for a lot of people is to day trade. don't keep money in the markets overnight. These hedge funds want you to do that because a lot of time the stock will drop the next morning. Okay, I watch these penny stocks all the time, and some of them will drop in the morning. Okay, so, and especially because we're heading into a tough economic time, I don't really think it's the time to have all of your money into these penny stocks. If you do that, I think you're generally going to lose over time unless you really are an expert. Okay, so we've got tough economic times coming. We got possibly, you know, another pandemic. If we got another pandemic, that would severely crash the markets. Okay, and I think we should have cash on hand. I've been telling you guys, we need to have cash on hand. We're looking at a tough time, so I don't think you should be all in. All right, should not be all in on these markets, I don't think. So we're thinking, you know, long term. Yeah, penny stocks are fun. Genius Group, though, I don't really have any faith in it right now. So I'm still advising my Patreon members to, you know, get out of it if you didn't already. And then we'll see, guys. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll be coming out with a market review later concerning all of the stock markets, the general direction, and then I always talk about various stocks of interest. Okay. Yesterday I mentioned ChargePoint because I bought it at $1.07, and then the thing went up. So by the dip, we talk about strategies all the time, guys and ladies. So I will see you in a little while.